So now we're about ready to begin cutting our opening in the wall. Looking at this wall, we have an outlet down here. We have no light switches up here. It still doesn't mean there might not be some obstacles behind here. There could be wiring that we don't know about. There also could be plumbing. So it's a good idea not to start here, but create an opening here that you can look inside, take a look around and see what it is you might be dealing with. There's nothing back there that's going to keep you from installing or completing your install or completing the opening, but it is a good idea to understand what's back there before you start jamming your saw in there all the way or trying to get this done too quickly. So I'm going to start by choosing an area right here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut horizontally until I hit the left edge of this stud. Again, I put the tape here to keep me from going too far into the wall. Okay, so I've hit the stud. So we know that that's the left edge of that stud. So now I'm going to go down a little bit, following that stud. I'm going to open it up a little bit so I can see what's back there. Excuse the camera angle here, you're not able to see me cut the hole, but you can see what we've identified, the left edge of that stud. So reaching back in here, we feel there's no insulation, there's no plumbing. You can open up a little more, but what I do feel here is a fire block. Okay, so there is a 2x4 going from here to this stud over here. It's nothing we can't work around, we're just going to knock it out. But just be aware that you're going to hit that stud, you're going to hit that fire block as you're cutting this hole.